Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a common Instagram error message that frustrates many users. An error occurred, please reload to try again. If you're seeing this message when browsing stories, posts, or trying to upload content, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. This error typically relates to connectivity issues, app glitches, or temporary server problems. First, let's try the simplest solution the message suggests: reload the page or screen. On mobile, pull down to refresh your feed. On desktop, press F5 or click the refresh button. Sometimes this immediate reload resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. Instagram requires a stable connection to function properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error persists on both networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router and reconnecting. Now, let's clear Instagram's cache. Go to your phone settings, apps, Instagram, storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if the error disappears. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your account. If you're using the Instagram website, clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Delete, Windows, or CMD+Shift+Delete, Mac. Ensure you select to clear cookies and cached images for the best results. For persistent errors, check for app updates. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Meta frequently releases updates that fix various error messages and improve stability. If the error continues, try logging out and back into your account. Sometimes authentication tokens can become corrupted and cause various errors. Log out completely, wait a minute, then log back in with your username and password. As a last resort, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. Before doing this, ensure you know your login credentials. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then download a fresh copy from your app store. I know how frustrating it is when Instagram shows generic error messages that prevent you from enjoying the platform. One of these solutions should resolve the "please reload" error. For most users, clearing cache or checking their connection does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your Instagram error, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.